got a sending unit or gauge not working for the field tape. And anyway, we're trying to key on. It does move slightly, but not reading anything. So we know we got gas. So need to see which one of these is not working. So I pulled out a little resistor so I could put that across, take the sending unit wires off and just connect this and turn it on and see if it moves the gauge. If it moves the gauge, then we know that the electrics to the gauge and back to here are good. So got a little ladder here and it's dark, but I'm just going to take off the negative cable and then the positive cable. Okay, most sending units are 33 ohms to 240 ohms. Just a little bit. This is a 100 ohm resistor. Turn it, do it again.
It actually goes down.
It goes down?
Yeah.
Turn it on and leave it on.
It is.
Okay, hang on.
There it's bouncing.
It was a...
There's the shoulder.
Yeah. So that the electrics are good. So I don't know if you can see this, guys, but that once I put the resistance on it, that needle moved up. So we know the electrics are good from the gauge to the sending unit. Most likely the sending unit is bad. You can turn it off, Sky.
So that means the gauge is all right.
The gauge is okay, but the sending unit is bad. But so we can either get another sending unit and put in it, you know, and because there's nothing wrong with the gauge. But a lot of times the gauges and the sending units are matched, but almost typically they have an industry standard of like 33 ohms to I think it's 250 ohms. So as that goes up or down, it changes the resistance in the sending unit, and the gauge knows what it is. I would say probably you could do either or. You could, you know, just get a sending unit or get the gauge and everything. The easiest thing is to just get the sending unit.